Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we on TalkBack in our Realme phone, and guys how can you use your TalkBack setting in your Realme phone. In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to on TalkBack, then guys scroll it. Friends you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone. So then click on your system setting guys, tap here guys, click on guys your accessibility setting. Friends, click on this vision option. Friends, you can see your talk back. So friends, tap here. Then guys, you want to zoom, you can on from this right side. Allow option, tap here to on talk back. So guys, talk back will on. Friends, how can you use guys? You can use guys tap and double tap to continue. Tap and double tap to continue. Tap double tap to continue. And guys, you want to scroll, you can scroll with your two fingers, guys. One finger, guys, you cannot use your talk back. So friends, you can use your talk back with your two fingers. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video with new topic guys.